So we're at a new listing on Little Spirit Lake. So this is the driveway in, and they do have an easement. It's a nice good sized lot, very private. You can kind of see the neighbor over there, but there's a little ravine in between. And this is the driveway side. And then go over here, they have the septic on that side. Got a couple balconies. Actually, there's 4 of them on the property, which is really nice. So you got your mound system over here. Again, just you don't see a neighbor down here. That's the cabin and the lake. And this side goes up. There is a nice lakeside deck entrance there. It does have a metal roof. Has the stops on there, so that's no maintenance. It does have wood siding, but they've just freshly painted that. So a little covered entrance here. Nice concrete steps. You come in, there is tile floors. This goes into the attached garage. And you got a staircase that goes upstairs. This is all nice. It looks like tile, but it is actually like a type of laminate. Dining area, nice good sized kitchen, breakfast bar, appliances stay. You got dishwasher, fridge, microwave built in. Nice big vaulted ceilings, great western exposure. It's about 6 o'clock right now, sun's going down. You got a great western sunset view here. Wood fireplace, got some built-ins. There's the staircase going up. This goes to that really nice lakeside deck. And again, there's that sun going down. Very pretty landscaping here. She's got some nice wildflowers. It's got wood and brick accents. That is a staircase that goes up to, there's a nice big bedroom with that deck that walks out there. Lots of windows. This is the look back. And go down the hall. There is a main level bath. Got newer flooring here. So main level bath has shower. Main level laundry room. This is a really nice big entryway, double closets. You got a laundry chute for upstairs. And then this goes back out to that same garage, obviously. So look down at the kitchen, living room, dining area. This is the second level and another full bath with tub shower. Some built-ins. There is a really nice skylight here. And this is the lakeside bedroom, really big, nice closet there. Got the patio door that leads out to the deck. And this is bedroom number 2. This door walks out to another deck area. Nice big wide hallway. And bedroom number 3. So out of the nice big bedroom, lakeside deck. This has steps that go down. And again, you could cut a viewing corridor. All of this frontage is there from here, and that goes all the way past the cabin and all the way over. So just the privacy here is probably the biggest selling point here. And you know, they just liked their privacy, but you could open it up to see that beautiful sunset. So off of the living room, this is the steps go down to the basement. So basement is also a walkout. You got the double doors, so you could actually pull something in here, ATV, you know, if you wanted to work on something. So this is just basically, they got workout equipment, but it's just basically a unfinished basement. It is a wood foundation, which this part is a walkout, you know, that is exposed. This goes back to the utilities. You got furnace, electrical panel, little workshop area here, gas hot water heater, pressure tank, water softener. It does have a sump pump here and slop sink. So you walk out this basement, you got a little area that's underneath the deck. And this walks down to the lake. We've got that nice lakeside cabin. They don't have much of a viewing corridor cut open, but you certainly can cut that open. They just never did. They like their privacy. This is a look back at the house and some retaining walls here. And then I'll give you a little tour of the cabin, but it's kind of hard to see, but with the sun shining, but that's beautiful sunsets on this side. Great fishing. I know several people that have fished this. I sold another cabin on here down around the corner. There's a bar restaurant that we actually have listed that's across the road off of 102. So you got a nice place to go with the boat. Pull up and grab a bite to eat or a fish fry. So there's some beautiful oak trees here, very mature. Got a nice level lakefront. I guess that's what's special to this. It is a little bit of a weedy frontage, but it's nice and level. You can definitely get on the boat and head over and just, you know, swim off the boat or go over by the boat landing. You got a really nice fire pit area here. This is the lakeside cabin. So this is the water source, and which is right there. Got a outhouse here and some firewood, little picnic area. The lot is very private, nice and set back. This cabin is just up on posts and piers. It's seasonal. It does have power that comes from the house. Gotta love the creaky door going in. Definitely feel like you're at the cabin. So cute kitchen, dining room. This is just very, you know, 1940-ish. Got your bathroom. So there is a shower and sink, and you do have a compost toilet. It does have electric baseboard heat in case it gets a little chilly. You can turn that on, but again, it's they shut this down in winter. Bedroom number 1. Nice dining, living room area. Some cool windows. Got a patio door that looks out. There's no deck off of it, but you can certainly add it. And there's that electric baseboard heat. And bedroom number 2 with a really nice window. You've got the old style windows. This would come fully furnished, all ready to go for your company, or just even an area to hang out by the lake and be able to cook and, you know, have a cookout. So I just had to come back down by the lake because the sun is just going down. And I have to say, it is so peaceful here. The only thing I hear are the birds and the wind. So you got a little garden shed, basketball hoop. So the drive up the driveway. I just wanted to show how private the drive-in is. So you got a nice long driveway. This is actually an easement over the cross to somebody else's land. There's a neighbor off to the left there, set back from the water quite a bit. So actually this is a house, not a garage. And then you can kind of see that's your closest neighbor on the lakeside. And then we come back out onto Little Spirit Drive. This is just a dead-end road, but this is right out onto Highway 102. And if you take a right, we are right down by, there's a campground here. So this is the Spirit Lake boat landing, nice public boat landing, blacktop. And then this is an area where, you know, people pull their pontoon up and go to the Spirit Lake Bar and Grill, which is also for sale.